vidIQ now for about 3 weeks, I would say. And what happens is if you do all the stuff that it wants you to, like it'll prompt you to get a description in here. It'll also allow you, it'll make up some nice template. I'm sorry, you can make templates for keywords, that sort of stuff. And it really likes keywords. And it gives you the score, right? So this is your video SEO score after you do those things. So right now, according to this, I've got a 44.4 out of 50 score of all the actionables that I can do right now. I know I love that word, actionables. When did that become a word? But anyway, so here's my title for this video, which is a whole bunch of keywords basically. And then it has these alternative titles underneath, right? So it says like, you know, escape anxiety. So I'm going to click on the first one, and then we're going to check our score. So it went from 44 point whatever it was, you tell me in the comments, and then to 35.1. And then this one, now I'm yellow. See, instead of being in the green, I'm in the yellow, which means it's not as good. 25.8. Click on this one. 32.3. Click on this one. 19.7. I mean, like, why are you recommending this to me then, vidIQ? And this one's 23 out of 50. So I'm going to go back to my original one, and we'll see. Yeah, back to 44.4. So I just thought that was interesting. Well, here's the thing, though. At least the program seems to be being honest, right? So it's not automatically saying that whatever it recommends is better than what you put in there. So that's kind of cool. So I guess it's a good thing for vidIQ, but it should actually get better at like recommending titles, shouldn't it? Anyway, it's obviously it's always being updated. The program's always being updated in the service, and I got it for 50% off. So if you're going to try this, I would highly recommend looking at a trial that gives you at least 2 months at half price, which is what I got. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And if this helped you at all, smash like. And if you use vidIQ, let me know. And if you use something else, let me know that too, because I would love to know. And all right. I hope you guys have a great day, and smash like helps me, and I'll see you on the next one.